There are many products available to choose Cots and Cot beds, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Cots and Cot beds from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Obaby Evie Cot Bed. Coming in just 5 pieces, this cot bed is incredibly easy to put together, taking our panel just an hour, and proving you don't need to be a DIY master to get this up and ready. It comes in a choice of 2 colors, either white or soft beige, making it the perfect neutral base for decorating your baby's nursery. There's also a matching dresser with a changing unit, and a wardrobe, sold separately, to complete the look. Our expert liked the adjustable 3-position base height and the fact the sides are removable, so you can effortlessly transform it into a toddler bed when the time comes. The solid wood finish was a hit with our at-home panel, who said it gave the cot a premium look. They liked the fact it felt well-made and sturdy too, so you can trust that it will last until your little one is older. It's suitable up to 4 years. Number 2. John Lewis Wilton Cot Bed. Just like our other winner, this cot from John Lewis features 3 adjustable heights and removable sides, giving you the option to transform it into a toddler bed as your little one grows. Our tester particularly liked that you have the option to remove the head and footboard, and take them apart to make them smaller and more suitable for a toddler. When building, we did find that it took 2 people to get the job done, and it's easy to accidentally assemble the base upside down, which means the mattress won't fit properly. So make sure you pay attention to the instructions. But once up, this is a well-designed cot bed that will last for the first few years of your baby's life. Number 3. Stokke Sleepi Bed V3. This Skandi-style cot bed can be transformed from a bedside crib when you buy the necessary extension, making it a great investment in terms of longevity. We also tested it in this format, where it scored 93/100ths. As a cot bed, it was a little time-consuming to build, although it comes with detailed instructions that are easy to understand. Plus, once it was up, our tester said it was sturdy and well-made, and they loved the solid beechwood finish. It's only compatible with a Stokke mattress and bed sheets, as it's not a standard size, but if you're looking for a premium buy, this delivers. Number 4. SnuzKot Skandi Cot Bed Natural. Imagine not needing to purchase another bed for your baby until they are 10 years old. Well, that's what the SnuzKot is designed for. We've tested its performance as a cot, but it can suit a child up to 4 years or up to 10 years with the additional adaptation kit. You'll have to set aside a bit of time to build this one, but the finished look is well worth the effort, and the fact that it's made with solid wood was a real bonus for our panel. Our expert appreciated the fact that the nuts and bolts are packaged in individual bags with clear labels to the corresponding instructions too. It doesn't come with a mattress, and it's only compatible with Snuz's own ones, so you'll need to add that to your basket. But the brand also sells other nursery furniture in matching colorways and finishes, meaning you can organize your baby's entire room in one fuss-free shop. Number 5. CuddleCo Nola Baby Cot Bed. CuddleCo's Nola Cot Bed converts into a sweet little daybed that can be used from birth right up to 5 years. As a cot bed, it has 3 handy mattress heights, so you can assemble it with the mattress high up at first, making it easy to access your baby day and night before dropping it down as they grow, something which our panel appreciated at the end of a long day. With dowel sides and ends, it's light and airy, and its smart mix of white and natural pine makes it a good-looking bed that should blend well with your existing furniture. However, our panel would recommend adding some drawers, such as the Clara changing unit, to your basket, as there isn't any built-in storage for essentials like bedding, toys, and clothes. It's fairly easy to assemble, although it requires 2 people. Just take care to leave the sides slightly loose as you fit all 4, then tighten them together for a really good fit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.